Weil wenn du die Leute nur am Monatsende bezahlst, kommen am 15. kommt keiner mehr zur Arbeit, weil die sagen, Geld ist aus und dann gehen sie irgendwo anders hin zum... Put the sprouts inside and put some grown up wasps inside. They will lay the eggs inside the mealybugs and kill them with that. After 10 days, the young wasps will hatch, so we will take
the rest of the...
We will take the sprouts out, shake them, and soak it with such an instrument. You know, very tiny, like syrup. You nearly cannot see with the eye. 0.4 millimeter big. These wasps. So we have to soak it inside here, and then we go to the field and release them. Lettuce here.
Lettuce. Oh, good.
You know, when it's in the night cold, then here it will be in the night maybe 14 degrees lowest temperature. So then we can produce a certain type of lettuces what they need what they want from Europe. You know, this colored Lolo Rosso